After the recent Binance listing, guess what's gonna follow? A ton of different other exchanges will definitely hop on the train, hop on the wave to list Kaspa on their exchange. It's only a matter of time, man. Clearly, they're gonna see what Kaspa's getting listed on Binance. We better list Kaspa on our exchange too, so we could get some of that volume and get people signing up to our exchange. That's what's gonna happen. It's just gonna be a domino effect. One chip falls, all the other chips fall. Right, Caspians? We have a new listing for Cas, and we're gonna dive into it like we always do. So if you're a Caspian, if you're a Caspian or new to the channel, you never saw Cas, it's your first time seeing it, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family. We are officially 10x on Kaspa since I talked about it on the channel, and this is looking like it's gonna be our first 100x to 500x on the channel for Kaspa. And this is just amazing to see. I'm happy I was able to help people make money in this space, because it's so difficult for a lot of people to make money in this space. So I was happy. So I'm happy I was able to help, man. If you're tuning in, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Patreon to access to my private Patreon group, Telegram group, where we talk about projects, any interesting projects we share in the private Telegram. And then you do your own research. The patrons already making a ton of gains there, and already making a lot more money, man. So this is from welch Exchange, 200,000 followers right here. For traders who seek the ultimate in price execution and transparency, welch. Cas is now available on welch perp market. Trade with up to 20x leverage, right? And we have the official link right here for Woo. Let's take a look. Oh, it's saying not available in my country. It's not available in my country, but you can see right behind it, you'll see Kaspa. You'll see Kaspa trading right there, man. I wonder what countries it's available for. Anyway, stake Woo to enjoy lower trading fees, and they have a nice graphic here with the Kaspa new listing Kaspa. Right, this is from Kaspador. Okay, call me crazy, I'm now 100% sure Jonathan is Satoshi. This is my true belief, Cas. And I made a video about Jonathan being Satoshi. There's a ton of coincidences there that Jonathan could potentially be Satoshi. If not Satoshi, he definitely learned from Satoshi a lot, and maybe even spoke and interacted with him in the past. This is from Lucky. In the last few posts, I've highlighted several gems ready for strong performance in the coming year, but it's impossible not to mention Cas. In the entire market, you can't find quality project that has shown such growth in less than a year. With a 285 million volume in 24 hours, Cas is undeniably on a bull run, and it shows no signs of slowing down. But why has Cas advanced so much? Let's explore the reasons. Tech innovation. Casper block DAG structure and Phantom Ghost DAG protocol revolutionized blockchain speed and scalability. Market visibility. Increased positive coverage and technological advancements have significantly improved market sentiment. Community strength. A strong and growing community backing Cas adds trust and appeal in the market. Market trends and speculation. The bullish trends in the markets and investor speculations have heightened interest in high potential assets like Cas. Smart contracts and DeFi. Cas exploration into smart contracts, especially for DeFi, increases its investment potential. Strategic partnerships. Partnerships and exchange listings have enhanced Cas accessibility and credibility. And we saw recently the Binance listing for Kaspa. Look at this right here. Look at this. I didn't even plan this. We have Cas trending, business and finance, 42,000 posts on X/Twitter. Global economic factors. In times of economic uncertainty, cryptocurrencies like Cas can become attractive alternative investments, leading to increased demand. I expect that in the coming year, Cas will continue its upward trajectory, and I believe that it has the potential to secure a position among the top 5. Love to see my bags are pumping. And this is from Lucky. Nice write-up from Lucky. Again, we've never seen anything like this in the space, and the price action speaks for itself. Unique and innovative technologies If you're in crypto, those are the ones that you bet on. You know, there's a meme where the Indian person says, "I'm in it for the tech," right? But if you're truly in it for the tech, innovative and new technologies are what's gonna shine in this space, and we can see that with Kaspa absolutely crushing it, going ballistic, unlike anything we've ever seen. And this technology, especially when you introduce smart contracts, it's just gonna continue to grow. A top 5 spot for Cas, I'm definitely sure that's gonna happen. Top 5 is not gonna be difficult for Cas with the technology it brings to the space, man. This is an old tweet from Eskander, because right now Kaspa's chart is moving so fast. This was like, 10 hours, 15 hours ago, right? Surprised, Eskander, I'm not surprised to see more Bitcoin OGs and maxis coming to the party now that Da Vinci is on board with Cas. Cas is the next biggest crypto chain to stand side by side with Bitcoin. And, again, in this space, man, a lot of what's the word? A lot of illegitimate things happen, right? Content creators, influencers, whatever you want to call them, they typically get tokens or coins from these projects that they talk about, so they could sell on they could sell on the people that watch them. They take sponsorships and brand deals and use that to enrich themselves while the retail investor suffers. So when it comes to a project like Cas, it's either people talk about it because they see the hype of it, or they're just going to ignore talking about it because they didn't get no tokens distributed to them and they didn't find it as early as everyone else, right? And that's what we're going to be seeing, right? So when more and more people wake up to it, it's very interesting to see the people that are waking up to it, right? And also even if people don't talk about it from a price action perspective, just talk about it from a technological perspective, right? Talk about what it's bringing to the table and how interesting that it's so fast still being a proof of work project. You have to talk about it from that perspective. The speed that it brings. It is literally the fastest proof of work project, and honestly, in my opinion, proof of work projects should be the top projects in the entire market, in my opinion, because that is what crypto was founded on, to create that security and decentralization, right? Making these projects a commodity like Bitcoin, right? The SEC can't say anything about Cas. It is SEC resistant. You won't see Cas having to deal with Gary Gensler saying, "Oh, this is No, you won't have to see that with Kaspa, because it is a proof of work project, right? Jim Skibum, funny to think that some people block me for shilling them cash under their low alpha tweets about macro, doom, or BTC only, or whatever. They missed the biggest opportunity, and it was right in front of them, sitting at 1 to 2 cents when I was doing this. Wow. So Jim Skibum as well, mentioning cash at 1 cent under people's tweets. Now it's up 13 to 14x from when Jim Skibum started to talk about it. It's up 10x from when I started to talk about it. And people just ignored it, man. Even some people in my Telegram group are turning around like, whoa, what? You were talking about this so early. I should have paid attention. But that's what happens in the space, man. This is why you always do your own research. And I kept telling people, don't just look at it from a price perspective. Look at it from a technological perspective and what it brings to the table from, as far as an innovative protocol. This is, technology like we've never seen before. And obviously, the price will follow because of the technology that Cas brings to the table. From Dan BTC, as I said earlier, Casper listing on Binance is just a matter of time. Fill your bags, friends. We are going higher. And again, this is just super massive news once again to close out the video, that Cas is being listed on Binance Futures. That is the official Binance listing. And it's only a matter of time until we see spot as well. After futures, I'm sure CZ is going to make it a spot listing as well in time. It's just patience, and Kaspa is just going to continue to grow from here. $1 is gonna happen faster than we think, man. $1 is gonna happen extremely fast. So Caspians, once again, thank you so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, and become a Patreon for access to my private Telegram group. Link to that is in the description. A number of patrons have already been making gains and thanking me for the gains that they're making. Don't miss out on that. Link to that is in the description. Once again, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one.